Okay, I'm live. I'm gonna make it show that actually this time actually I do injection thing. So first of all, there's a arrays key. This is not it. There is a sanitization HTML special character. So encoding. So it just do many kind of encoding here and there. So there is a flag constants. Uh, like will ignore single or double quote, will convert double quote and leave single quote alone, uh, will leave both double and single quote unconverted. So there are many encodings here and there. Maybe I can use add slashes because add slashes is very easy way to add things and make it little bit more good enough, I will say. Because if you add slash, then it doesn't gonna do that. At least if you are not using prepare your is yet. Why? The thing is, I think this is a okay. This is that's the thing, and this is the thing. A real escape string. That's also a thing. hmm I can this real escape string. That will be fine. I will say maybe not. Still not get what is the sprint f. What is it's gonna do? What is it? Procedural style. What difference in procedural style? MySQLi and City. The thing is, it's fine to be fair. It's not like, but there are many other encoding also. So where's the filter? Input filter. Input filter. I can't get it. This guy is telling me what is sterilize? Um, sterilize PHP. There is sterilize session data and server both user. What is sterilize? Sterilize session data content. So request sterilize session data. So when it get introduced, I can't get it. What is it? What is serialize doing actually? Nobody's showing me the output. It's just saving it. Uh, serialize is not sterilize. Serialize. Serializing. The slash. What is that? Cross posting. Everybody is like dunking on this. I'm gonna use MSLQI real escape string because I think this is a specially designed for MySQL real spring escape string, so it probably doesn't do anything bad. But again, it's just like the comma and Sprintf, I'm just not know why it's using sprintf. Again, my mind is going that way. Why they are using sprintf? What actually sprintf? Uh, in PHP. Let's let's just see, because I can't use my hand around that. Uh, and also that sprintf PHP. What is sprintf do? Sprintf zero format, number, and location. So first will be format, second will be number, which is this, and third will be location, which is this. What is format then? What is, okay? This is the format. Okay, this is a format, and this is a, okay. So they are using this, and to fill the location, I will say. Number and location. What about if there is a many thing? Because probably there is not like only a single thing. There will be multiple things there in the format. It's still, I'll say, not good enough. It's not a good idea. Here, I'm not sure you should use percentage like that. Yeah, let's use something online PHP RDI. So maybe it's gonna. I think this is the right thing. I use this, and actually this is a very good ID on online. So okay. First of all, let's remove this. Second of all, let's add many things here and there. So let's say, um, what can be? Let's copy the, just a, let's copy the controller. Maybe not controller. Maybe model. And a model have very less thing to say. So let's copy the. Oh, this is a good thing, I will say. Okay, okay. This can work, probably, at least. Uh, okay, so there is the values, and it gonna, oh, and there is a Sorry, this there's a fillable. Okay, there will be values which will be for each probably. I think it can be for each. Hmm. Again, I can't able to. Should I use printf? Because I don't think so. Printf have. There is some kind of thing is going on here, and I can't do that. This is kind of like a big issue to be, and this is a that issue relief. I still don't get it. Why? What is wrong with that slash? Where's that slash? What is wrong with this? And why people is calling it unsecure? Okay, so they are saying okay, it's incorrectly used to prevent SQL injection. Okay, so what are you suggesting me to do then? And this offset, we were not input validation, this size. MySQL real string should be used. So okay, that can be possible. So everybody is saying we should use MySQL real string. So and probably this because I'm using in object oriented. So that is a better way to do things. Probably I'm interested. I'm very much interested in the procedure style, but sometimes just it is better to do it that way. This data set was available or with the API mention. Let's check it. So they are saying there's some kind of okay. This is it, and where the function? Where the function? Where the function? There is the function. So it is a it is not it's not a static string, so it has to be called inside db. So first of all we are going to do something here, like there's a fill labels, so that only is fillable there. So uh, that is probably maybe not. I'm not sure about how we are going to deal with that. uh, let's just open our photos and in models, and also in can I just open models, and that's really fun. uh, then get a new static and we start to try to get an item. We actually use this, and now we are not gonna use this, we are gonna use something else. But it can be, it will be uh, just getting a state data, uh, initialize initialize and it will be initializing two things. Okay, first of all, self dv and dv and that will it gonna return on db. No, doesn't it oh, okay, so okay, it will return that and fill labels, and it gonna in that we're gonna first it's gonna do find, and find will be actually return only one, and that will be, and we are gonna oh no, oh no, it will be get all, get all. So you're gonna do get all, so it's gonna spit it all once. So I don't have any get all until now, so and it's gonna return it, and it's gonna do get all there, and there is no get all there, there's a get results. So I'm gonna make it get all, so it actually get all. So maybe I just change something, maybe I just do all is a better idea, and uh, all and get items all, and First of all, we are gonna, I think this will be only select and return, so the query will be very simple. This query will be there will be labels, and third will be what we want get maybe from uh, first of all let's remove that. Select this and table. So this is gonna query that, and when it's gonna query this, and what is this query, and query gonna be, is it gonna bool or an ms result? Why there is a red somewhere? So it doesn't, if something here is bad, then so should we have to store that? I think we have to store that. Why it had to be stored? I can return it, but it doesn't actually make any sense there if I return that. Let's just make a private function of private QQ. So it will be something like that, but we are actually making it like this. Okay, maybe I can actually make it a result. Okay, so result is that, and actually can actually just put it there. So private. Maybe I'm gonna make it restrict, select all except PHP select all except. No, no, not like that. Select all except column hidden columns. So so first of all, let's use this protected. There should be some kind of invisibility kind of thing there. Should be something like hidden, something else. Select extra from table schema test and table name. Create table t1. This, it seems there is no way. What is that? Where field? Let's see. Maybe I have some kind of. Ah, let it be. Oh, remove that and extract all and I think that's is not a possible. I would say it seems not a possible. I don't think so. Let it be. First of all, this will be so this result. So the result is there, and oh, so I think it should actually JSON encode that maybe. There's a toString there somewhere. Maybe not, but it can possible. So first just check there is some kind of toString there or not. Because if there isn't, I don't want to actually override many things. There's a toString, but it doesn't do anything. ToString MySQLi. Um, I I think this is fine to be. Maybe I just has to do that because if it doesn't work, it doesn't work. If it does work, I'm I'm very fine with it. I will say I can. This is still in very much early stage. So okay. So what is gonna it return? It return the response on the back, and it will be response in the JSON. Uh, uh, our result. First of all, let's check the result. If no, it's not like that. It should be like that. There should be first and all. So it has to be some kind of thing. So we can find with the first and we can find with the all. Something like that. And it doesn't do anything special here. It has to be fetch all associate here. So let's just try it and see how it's gonna perform. I have my own doubt, but we don't know unless we actually do this. So maybe it's gonna so whatever we are thinking is came true. I think it's kind of impossible to do it in the first try, so it actually has errors. And just do that, store get items and get items to this db, and db actually responds these variables, and it will be start to be the maybe a be just that. So let's see in all what is that. If we're gonna echo 1 2 3, is gonna perform that. It doesn't do that. Echo 1 2 3, maybe it's gonna perform that. Okay, it is performing. So something here, something bad here. So db is gonna perform echo 1 2 3 4. So it's gonna performing that. And variables, the table and variables. Table is, I'm not sure about this, but it's not. And go and I'm gonna use here echo so I can find know what is echo self, maybe printf self. So r self, omg self. Let's see we can do that. Maybe it's not possible. Print r self class, maybe. It seems I just do very bad stuff somewhere at least. So using fetch all, just use echo 1 2 3, so I can actually find what where is actually it's going wrong. It's actually working here and it's don't work here. So actually all is not working. So that definitely means function is not working fine by any means. uh, echo this table, I don't think so. OMG, spelling is terribly wrong, and maybe I'm just doing something stupid somewhere, which I'm not sure about it right now. It's still a 500 ms. Mm. Okay, this is definitely wrong. This has to be that. So it's actually working like there. It will be printf printer. So oh, maybe fill labels nothing there, but there should be fill label something. Why there is no fill label there? I passed something there, so it should be there. So maybe there is issue with the filling there something. So let's just echo this fill labels printer maybe. OMG, there is a issue with the fill labels. Let's go to photos and see what is all about. So there is no fill labels. I am shit. So first of all, there should be fill labels, and I'm gonna change that function on my models because uh, I don't want to do that, but I think it's need a very what can I say about this, thorough approach. I'll say these things is should fill labels, so it will be it will they don't change. So fill label will be hmm, I think I have to go to default and change fill label there because we have to choose setup it is a fill label or not here. That is a good idea because this is a fill label false. I think this will work, maybe not, but I have to try this way. So because thing is we don't need to change this again and again. It has to be changed only once, and that will be over. Nothing should be changed in this subject. If you want to change it, you can change it after that also uh, because I'm gonna introduce something there also. So first of all, let's go to model and mm, models and again. So first, let's delete it about everything here. I think this is very short, maybe not, it's not that much short. And now we have to make it a what is that fill label, and fill label will be we have to filter them because or maybe we can actually just for each and do it by the brute force because it's not like we have any issue right now. I think not sure about that. So first just printf table, so I able to understand that. Okay, so everybody has is fillable, but it has nothing in it. It is empty. It should false and true, but it's just empty. OMG, so I have to actually. Okay, I just do something very, very, very much wrong move there. I will say that. Uh, let's go to node model and I have no idea what actually I do wrong. Okay, okay, okay. So, or default. Okay, I have to change this with the fillable false, fillable false, fillable false. If there is nothing, okay, okay, okay. So we can just first of all we can just for loop, maybe not table data, and we're gonna so first we check is a fillable. If it is not fillable, so we're gonna make it true. Fillable array, and every time I just first let's boot reset, and I will check for table has sorry, value has fillable in it. If it is has not fillable, then we are gonna make it fillable. So, and also it should be in the if side of thing, and also some kind of issue is there maybe. Okay, so issue is this, so I don't mind that. And okay, first of all, uh, if there's nothing in it, we are just make it true. So value name in array, so it's like that. It will be true. Else, if you're gonna check that, so we can check. both way, or mm, I don't think so. It can work because if so, let's see. So first of all, LCV means fillable true. That's also mean that, and I don't think so. We don't have to add anything else. And after everything is over, we are gonna implode that, implode explode. I just every time I just implode PHP. Okay. It will be implode. I should little bit has little bit more faith. That will be much better. Uh, implode uh filter array and oh no, it should be separator there. So maybe that's it, and it's gonna make it like this, and dot. Okay, so something bad happened here, and maybe this will solve that. Okay, now everything is solved at least. Oh no, there is no. How it can be easily done in the first try? It has to be some kind of pain. So bear with me, and mhm. Let's see now, because I think now it will be over at least. Okay, so now there is a, why there is ID there? It should not be there. Let's see what actually went wrong. So we check for fillable, so it has fillable or not. uh, let's just echo the data. Maybe printer. No, it can be echo. Mm. So first of all, there is some kind of printer somewhere. I'm gonna remove that because I don't need that. now. Undefined field label. So I understand that. So it's actually doing everything it should not do. Like ID should be not there. Oh, let's print R and print our value. So and also just print our field label. So actually I know what's issue is there. Field label false, field label false, and field label false. So there is a field label, but it is a false. Mm, false should not be included. That's the case. That's the whole case. So it should not be ID. They don't. These three should not included there. That is the whole case here. And Philip is definitely not true. Is it? And is this is running or 2 2? So maybe print R 1 2. So let's see how it's gonna run. Why it's true? It's not. No, it's not true. It's a false. There is a else if. It's not a if. It's else if. Did I spell something wrong there? It's not about that. Also, so mm, uh, let's see what is available there. That will the case, and that very much interesting. False, false. So it's not true. So else if let's just use to if. No, there can't be to if else if. Okay, maybe I just do something stupid there. So it's false, but gee, why uh it's false, so it's not equal to that. Then why it's running that function? Mm, maybe that will be clear that. No, it's not clearing that. It is still false, but how it can add that value? I has to clear this with any cost. But 1 p.m. is already there, and I'm not know how much longer I can wait for it. But I has to wait for it to be so screw it. I'm gonna make it flavor. Let's see it's gonna work or not. It's again it's false. So and if I do it there, it should actually give me some kind of error because it should not be there. And there, yeah, there is error. Undefined array key. So it's like that. But why it's running? It's not true. So maybe I should use third is equal to because that is only way to stop this madness, and it gets stopped. It gets stopped very fast there. But then it will be true exactly as a value. Uh, I'm not sure about that again. Maybe I gonna less var dump value. And let's see how it's gonna respond here. Labels. I think I do somewhere very wrong. This is not a why this is not definitely not available thing. And mm, uh okay, there's a kind of thing here. It's actually messing with everything. First of all, click here this. Why there's no var dump there? because it will be never true. So that's the case, and it's just a false, but it is string. It should not be string. It should be converted to convert string boolean. OMG set type string and boolean. So it can be possible like that. Mm-hmm. Let's use this t there, and also one less is equal to here. So it's actually maybe work, maybe not. Again, who am I? Decide. No, it's not working. It's not working. Let's try echo t maybe. Vardam t maybe. True, 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 true. Everything is true. Why is true? Mm. Okay, okay, this can be possible. Okay, this is a little bit easy there. So if okay. Oh gee, first of all, let's level. Let's copy this and paste it here. OMG, why am I doing that this way? It can be easily uh possible in this way. Oh, maybe this is not a oh why I'm doing this way. It can be done in the this way. So it's actually okay. This is possible. And okay, okay. So this is these are the fill levels, and I think this should work kind of fine. Okay. Oh, this is actually responding now. I think this is a good. I will maybe good. Maybe you can call it good. I think so. But it's just why is not responding JSON? Maybe it should not respond JSON because JSON response is not his duty. His duty is to just response, and whatever the response is, conversion done by. Um, First of all, let's go to photo. Uh, Photo model maybe. Where is model? Uh, so first of all, there is a all there in this. So that's all, and this all gonna use show that. So get items, and get item will be return this item. And what is this item doing? Let's use printer, maybe I can find what is happen there. Oh, there's a variable there. Is some kind of print there? I think in DB maybe some kind of print there. Okay, so it's actually doing this variable now, and it's not using doing all running all. So first of all, it's not a this. It's not okay. It is a this. So if you wanna make it this, so it's gonna run this. Maybe I just use connect spelling connect double N, and okay, maybe it's gonna work. It doesn't. Initialize doesn't work that way, and it doesn't return anything. So it should return that. So that is a very bad way to do things. Okay, 1 2 3. Where is the 1 2 3? So I'll actually going there, and it doesn't do anything else. So OMG, it's not working. So something going really bad here. So I'm assuming that at least. Uh, Maybe okay. Issue is it should return this, so we can change this then. Uh, doesn't do that. It doesn't do that. It doesn't return anything. What is the result? Uh, um, just call it a query. How can I? How to select table? I think I have an idea there, but maybe my idea is getting older. Select from. Really, I'm getting old. OMG, something really bad happened there. This takes too much time. Why it's empty? It showed something there. Just echo table. Maybe I do something really bad there. It should be photos. It is photos, but it's empty. It's totally empty. There's some issues there. I don't know how to solve that issue. Hmm. It should not be game empty. There should be something there. Um, Maybe I just have to use this also. One. So there is a one answer, but I'm not getting anything here. OMG. Mm, it's 200, but still there is some kind of issue there. So echo. Echo 123 doesn't work. Maybe two string doesn't do anything at all. Oh, okay, two string doesn't do anything. So That's the issue. So how to override parent to string, or maybe I just make a function get most matlab. So public function many, uh, it will be do the same, and and uh, and also one public function one, and also it's not going to do anything, so less hidden, make it hidden, and also still there's nothing we can doing right now. Many. So let's see. So many actually performing. Uh, let's see speed of. It is not a good enough to fair. 50 ms is not a good enough for a 24 20 2500 U processor. It's not good enough. And it's still not a no. I mean it doesn't actually. I mean it's still a bad, very bad choice. Uh, of scaling, I will say. I think this is a bad, very bad. And std is 32.51. This is again very bad. What will be? It is actually my original site. Probably it's not going to work here because this is 443 uh, port, and 443 port is still not using in this system. OMG. Maybe I gonna use. Okay, HTTPS. Oh, MG. So it's actually using this function. So, but that is very clear. So 40 form 47, which is nothing. It has nothing in it, and 52. So 4 5 ms only went. The thing is, it has it has an issue of some kind of cold start. So 50 ms is go nowhere. Whatever you do, how much good your system is, it doesn't matter. So that's the case right now. And okay, and on photo controller, I don't think so. I think on model, I think good enough. This is a good enough. That doesn't else. On one, PHP. Okay, MySQL. Uh, It's 1:26. I don't have too much time. I have to sleep fast as possible because insert select data. Select for first data. PHP. Nothing is good there. It has to be, but it's not actually doing it. It just has while loop here, so it doesn't do anything else. Thank God it is a we have sent us filter like that. I'm not going to delete right now, but right now this is working fine, and I think I okay. So I'm gonna use this fetch associate because I think this is the right idea to do that, and I put it there. I'm not gonna use anything here, and if it has nothing, it's gonna return null. And uh um, let's see, controller model. Gonna make it It has to. My father is coming and saying I have to sleep, so it's not about that. I have to actually wake up early tomorrow, so I can. There is some kind of function there, so tomorrow, so I have to attend that. Maybe. I don't think so. It's gonna work. ID and key. So first of all, I'm gonna make it like that, and there is ID, and it's empty. It's getting empty. I think I should put it small. PHP where ID. So we're gonna find that. So in model there is a find. Where's the find? Find, just do the get item, and let him try to find that, and find should be as one maybe. OMG, it's show not null. Okay, so at least this is running now, and still we are not near the completion of our injection based completion, I will say. Injection, but I can't all that injection filtering. So it seems we have to try again tomorrow.